protest in their country. And
for our motherland, Nzema. And now look at the project. It has been abandoned in a bush. No job for Nzema. We will not allow anybody to turn us around. If there is no job, there is no oil hub. If they want to build oil hub, we want them to listen to our protest. We need jobs for the youth. We are ready to do anything for our future. We will fight to the last drop of our blood. This is just the beginning. For now, we don't have any weapon. We are speaking from our hearts, the deepest part from our hearts, that we are fed up. We are fed up for this government. Always this, always that. We are fed up. If they need anything from Nzema, they should come and give the youth a job. We are going to fight for freedom for Galamsey. The Galamsey is destroying our water. We don't have any good water now, especially in Crawford. So please, they are building some companies. They are saying that Takwa, I am free, and those areas, according to them, they are doing community mining. If they want the Galamsey to continue in Nzema, they should come here, do a community mining, and give proper measures for the youth. They should not come and destroy our waters. We cannot drink our urine. We have to drink a good water for a good health. Thank you very much.
halala ye Kwame Nkrumah ye papa Kwame Nkrumah su aso ye vie ma yaraba ba me ne ya adere ba me ne ya adere imoti oni da biemo sabe police ni bia wura breble ne ma ye de ya hu kuyemu ma wo yanu wa ka ye say ye manse ma elibwe whether they take or whether they know it, whether they want it or whether they refuse it or whether they like it, we shall force our MPs, whether they like it or not. We are going to force our parliament chiefs, we are going to force our divisional chiefs, we are going to force everybody on the land of Nsema. If they are refusing to think, we are going to tell them how to think. Today, the police, without due respect, without you, we don't have no life. Without you, we are not safe in this country. That is what I mean by we don't have life. You police are here to protect us. Whatever we are doing is in line with the Constitution. Please, without due respect, if anybody tries to misbehave in accordance to the law, you can handle him. But please, as long as we are exercising our fundamental rights, please, without due respect, let us do it. Because the president told us we are not spectators, we should be citizens. And citizens are good citizens when they see wrong things happening in their country and they give response to the leadership. Thank you so much. Thank you.
The first president of Ghana, Dr. Kwame Shrano, Sashi, Shrano Mice. My head got control room for 8 years. And I'm studying society, our mice be on my back. Uncle school, community, I'm from I didn't answer my dear. Uncle school, my uncle be no. I'm sorry, Uncle school, when my family. Most of us are saying, it's your neighbor, and then you are some fine, I say, Obusu will be a quality. It's an idea, and you are not a supply by saying, enough is enough. We are sick and tired of anger. As a man, not saying my one, and one idea. Only a common in our the captain of one and Jay, our 2 forwards. Well, history, King of Work, I would be kind and I was King of Work, I know the danger be allowed. On no quality Kina, says the man, one more time I have found Sabi, King of Work at the time, that's a Tumaba, that's a man for I was so back in Work at the time. And I said, man, I recognize all my India, so I am a joke, so yet.